Okay, children, so we were discussing about the factors on which the solubility depends. The first thing is nature of solute, nature of solvent. So, as you know, the basic rule is like dissolve like. The solute must be polar if the solvent is polar. The solute must be non-polar if the solvent is non-polar. And they must be able to form hydrogen bond between themselves if they are polar in nature. Whereas the second point is temperature. Temperature suggests that on increasing the temperature, just now as I have informed you about the supersaturated solution, that when you are increasing the temperature, the solubility is increased. So here also temperature, this suggests that temperature is directly proportional to solubility. Okay, so this is what we have to discuss over here. Let us see NCERT for some more informations. One thing is given over here in NCERT. Let us see that is very important over here. See, when a solid, this is the topic that we were discussing, solubility of a solid in a liquid. Here it is written, it like dissolve like is the basic rule. When a solid solute, ये point करो, when a solid solute is added to a solvent, some solute dissolves and its concentration increases in solution. ठीक है, दिस इज सिंपल थिंग. एक सॉलिड सोल्यूट है, इसको हम पानी में डाल रहे हैं और वो उसमें डिज़ोल्व होता है और उसकी कंसनट्रेशन इंक्रीज हो जाती है इन द सॉल्यूशन. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड डाइल्यूशन, डिसोल्यूशन ऑल्सो, डिसोल्यूशन. Some solute in the solution collide with the solid solute particles and get separate out of the solution. This is called crystallization. So this is also happening simultaneously with dissolution. Basically these are in, you can say, dynamic equilibrium. Crystallization में क्या होता है कि solute particles जो dissolve हो गए हैं, they collide with each other and they get separate out. They get crystallized and they get separate out. So one side dissolution is going on and the opposite process is also going on, that is crystallization. More and more solute is dissolved, then more speed of crystallization will be there, because the concentration of solid solute will increase in the solution. So they will collide with each other and they will soon undergo crystallization. So once the process get you can say under equilibrium, the solution reaches to a saturated condition. You can see must be written here. A stage is reached when both the processes occurs at same rate. Under such condition, the number of solute particle going into solution, by which process the solute is going into solution, dissolution, will be equal to the solute separating out and a state of dynamic equilibrium is reached. अब ये जो separate out करने वाली जो step है वो है crystallization. मतलब जो आपको मैं बता रही थी, dissolution और crystallization इन दोनों की speed जब same हो जाती है तो equilibrium reach हो जाता है. और यहाँ पे अगर हम temperature और pressure की condition को constant रखते हैं, then we get the saturated solution. Okay, so this point was not there in that note, so I have to